talked a little bit about 4711 in my last video that I did about a soap. So 4711, somebody corrected me saying that it's not the oldest cologne. I stand corrected. There is Jean-Marie Farina from France. I think that's older by a few years, although I don't think that it ever reached the population like 4711 did around the world. And I keep one of these big bottles at home, and it's just the nicest scent when you wear jeans and a t-shirt with 4711.
That's why you need the big bottle.
Yeah, it really is. It's a very light, lemony, citrusy fragrance. And I mentioned that everybody's grandmother, Oma's, wore 4711. So we got a lot of comments agreeing with me on that, right? We buy directly from the factory in Germany and have made great relationships with them. You guys sell a lot of it?
Yeah, I think you said it spans generations. I feel like a lot of people come in and they're just so surprised. Like, you have it?
Yeah.
My grandmother, my great-grandmother
Everybody has a
this.
4711 story.
There's a story, and we have all the sizes. We have like a little mini splash, a spray, the biggest size.
Do people
and the whites.
actually come in and buy this giant bottle?
Oh, I have somebody comes in and buy 5 bottles at a time.
He clears us out. Abdul is the one. No,
I can say that somebody buys 5 bottles, they gotta give it an extra 10% discount. So he buys, I don't think anybody's gonna order 5 bottles, but if they do, they're welcome to get that.
See, I like the little miniature ones to put in each purse.
Or stocking.
Definitely.